Welcome, and thank you so much for being here. This activation meditation is going to include energetic and frequency adjustments using tuning forks, drumming, and a guided meditation. This is a really potent activation, and it's important that you're hydrated. So feel free to pause this if you need to get some water, and then find yourself a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and where you can ideally lie down whilst you listen to this. This is being recorded during a really beautiful cosmic alignment where the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun all align with our galactic center and our great central sun, which is blasting some really lush, organic, cosmic celestial frequencies to Earth. We are creating this with the intention that we have as many people initiated through this at the same time during the solstice on the 21st of December 2021. However, as we are all connected through the ether, the work we are doing transcends space and time. So whenever you listen to the recording, it will be just as powerful. And I even encourage you to listen to this more than once whenever you feel called. In this activation, we'll be using energetic frequencies to assist in activating, clearing, and clarifying your inner lightning rod and your different energetic bodies. It will help with strengthening your auric field as well as align your DNA according to your original, organic, highest divine blueprint. What this does is that it allows you to have a greater capacity to pull in and emanate more coherent source light in your being and essentially strengthen the new grid as living light anchors here on Earth, diffusing the mass hypnosis over humanity that is anchored in the false matrix, and bring more clarity where truth and love can prevail. I will be using a combination of vibrational forks on certain key energetic points on the body, such as the bottom of your feet and on your crown at the top of your head, as well as audible ones through your inner lightning rod and around your auric field of your hologram in the morphogenetic field. If you focus and tune into it, you ought to be able to feel the energetic shifts that are taking place in your body and in your field. Know that we are always guided by our higher selves for your gentlest and highest good according to the highest divine will. So know that you are safe and just be open to receiving within this container as we open up a portal and guide you through this activation. Okay, let's begin. Take 3 deep breaths, like you're drinking in the beautiful liquid love light of Source, in through your crown, into every cell in your body, and pull that through and send it down into the earth. And with each breath, feel more and more relaxed.
So inviting your awareness now gently into the sacred temple of your heart, into the divine heart portal in the center of your being that exists beyond space and time. Using your breath to breathe directly into this center point of you. Breathing in. Coming home to you. And you may see a light here, maybe a particular color, your unique soul vibration, soul expression of pure light, consciousness, pure source. And just allow that to expand into that space. And from this beautiful portal of your heart, start to intend and send down through your central channel beautiful roots of light, down through the center of your being, down through your solar plexus, through your sacral and root chakras, breathing out, down through your earth star portal chakra, down through the layers of the earth, all the way down until you connect with the crystalline heart of Mother Gaia, anchoring those roots of light deeply into the heart of the Divine Mother. And as you breathe out, just intend and allow a full release of all aspects that may be blocking you from your full recognition and embodiment of yourself as pure source light and unconditional love, as a limitless creative being, to be released now down through those roots. Down, 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 releasing now across all levels, planes, times and dimensions of your being into the heart of the Divine Mother. And she welcomes you and welcomes this energy with open arms, and she is able to neutralize all of these energies within her cosmic womb and then transmute them into new life. And she thanks you for this. And then she begins to gift you with her limitless, unconditional love, starting to channel up now through those roots of light, up through the crust of the earth, coming up into your earth star portal chakra and beginning to enter and emanate through the soles of your feet, your toes, your legs, all the way up through your lower chakras, through every cell of your being, every pore, through all aspects of your DNA, and she anchors and stands by you within your own heart space now. And she gifts you with her power and limitless support here to be a guardian of this planet, to be a keeper of this planet, and to be an anchorer of the new dreaming. And you feel her power and support and love beginning to expand from your heart out in all directions now, breathing that in. And sending her deep gratitude and thanks. And from this divine portal of your heart, start now to send another beautiful crystalline cord of light up through your higher chakras, through your central channel, through your throat, your third eye, your crown, out through the crown of your head, through your soul star portal chakra, up into the atmosphere, the galaxy, through the universe, until you make contact with the limitless light of source in the divine central sun, And allow your energy to deeply connect now with the energy of Father Sky, of pure source light awareness, limitless consciousness that is incorruptible and powerful, your unique and divine source light blueprint and Christ consciousness. And the Father welcomes you with open arms and unconditional love. And he begins to shower beautiful crystalline light down through that core, down through the galaxy, down through the atmosphere of the planet, pouring down through your soul star portal chakra, down through the crown of your head, infusing and emanating through your entire auric field, integrating and anchoring more light, new codes, new dreaming, more consciousness down through your throat. And he anchors that light deeply into the portal of your heart now, breathing that energy and that support in. Anchoring this limitless source consciousness through all aspects of you, all levels, planes, times, and dimensions now. And expanding that energy out from your heart into your entire field. And sending deep gratitude and love to the Divine Father above you. Centering yourself in the portal of your heart, which is now infused with the power and the support of the Divine Mother and her unconditional love, and the Divine Father and his limitless source light consciousness beginning to move through you as you, integrating through you, through all expressions of you now, through your entire field, all aspects of your DNA. And as you breathe out, expand that energy out into your field, expanding your aura, expanding your power out into the field all around you. Using the power of your breath to receive more light, to integrate more light and anchor more light. Knowing yourself as a powerful creator being here, anchoring the new dreaming. Unconditional love, pure source light energy. And breathe that in and know it is done now.
As we bring this to a close, I'm going to seal up the edges of your aura and ensure that you have strong, integral boundaries. And then finally wrap you in a cocoon of love, which is like one of the best parts. As we end this activation session today, I'd like to say thank you so much to each and every one of you for being here today. And my gratitude and thanks for our highest self for guiding us to be here, as well as our ancestors and guides of the highest good for coming to bear witness to this occasion today. As I close up this portal as a service to love and the heart of humanity. Please take it easy and feel free to keep lying there and listen to the music until you're ready to get up. So much love to each and every one of you.